In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign, how to sign a document, 5 minutes. Let's start with the most common scenario. Someone has sent you a document to sign. Open your email and look for the message from Docusign. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. When you find it, open the message and click Review Document. This takes you to Docusign's secure signing page. You'll be asked to agree to use electronic records and signatures. Check the box to consent, then click Continue. This consent simply confirms that you're okay signing digitally, which is standard and legally recognized in many regions. On the left side, you'll see a yellow Start tag. Click it to jump straight to the first place that needs your attention. Docusign guides you from one required field to the next so you won't miss anything. When you reach a signature area, click the signature tag. You can adopt a pre-styled signature, draw your own with your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your signature. Choose the option that feels most comfortable and accurate for you. If you upload an image, make sure it's clear, high contrast, and on a plain background. Confirm your choice, and Docusign will place it in the field. When you've completed all required fields, click Finish at the top or bottom of the screen. You'll see a confirmation, and a copy of the signed PDF will be emailed to you and stored in your Docusign account. The sender will be notified automatically. It's a good idea to keep that confirmation email for your records. Now, if you want to sign your own document that you already have, open Docusign and go to the Agreements tab. Choose the document you need and click Sign to launch the signing session. If you don't see your file listed, click Start Now to upload it from your computer. Once the document opens, locate the signature tool and drag a signature field to the exact spot where your signature is required. Click the field to adopt a style, draw, or upload your signature image just like before. Take a moment to make sure everything looks correct, including placement and dates. When you're ready, click Finish. Your signed document is saved to your account and you can download or share it as needed. That's all there is to it. Whether you're signing from an email or signing your own file, Docusign makes the process quick, secure, and clear. Thanks for watching and happy signing.